students, welcome to Statistics class. See, age specific death rate cannot be used to compare two populations. The reason here is we will not getting one complete value for the entire ages. So that's the reason we are not able to compare two population. That's why now we are considering a new measure, that is standardized death rate, or it is also called as in short STDR. So using STDR we can compare the death rates of two or more populations. So now we'll see, so what is the meaning of STDR then? It is the weighted average of ASTRs of population by taking standard population as weights. Let us consider there are two populations. In these two populations, two different age group will come. Okay, one population, that is in population A, 20,000 population, the age group 10 to 19. In population B, consider also same age group, that is 10 to 19, 35,000 population. So when you compare these two populations, we will not get correct answer, because here we don't have one standard population. So here we will consider as standard population. That standard population will be referred as weights. Okay. So instead of taking different populations, here we are taking, let us say 25,000 population as standard population, and that 25,000 will be used to compare the standardized death rate between two populations. And the next is, when you are solving the example of STDR, one particular population is taken as standard. The standard population can be one of the given populations under study or any other populations. So when you are solving the example of STDR, they only give the standard population, or you have to take any one population as standard. So to find out the standardized death rate, the formula of STDR of town A is summation PA divided by summation P, and when you was finding the standardized death rate of town B, the formula is summation PB divided by summation P, where P stand for standard population and A is equal to age specific death rate for population A, and B stand for age specific death rate for population B. A population which has STDR minimum is a healthy population. So then what are the merits of STDR then? The first merit is, it is a good measure of mortality, giving importance to age groups. The second merit is, it can be used for comparison of mortality of two or more populations. So using STDR we can compare the death rates of two or more populations. So then what are the demerits or drawbacks of STDR then? The first demerit is, it requires standard population and it is difficult to select the standard population. So when you are solving the standardized death rate, it requires standard population and it is very difficult to select the standard population. The second drawback or demerit is, it is fully dependent on the age structure of the standard population. To clearly understand the standardized death rate, so now we are going to study what is the difference between CDR and STDR. So CDR, STDR. Now we are going to see what is the difference between CDR and STDR. So in CDR, here the population is used as weights, whereas in STDR the standard population is used as weights. In CDR, it cannot be used for comparison of death rates of two or more populations, but STDR can be used for comparison of death rates of two or more populations. CDR requires less information, whereas STDR requires more information. So this is regarding the difference between CDR and STDR. So now let us solve examples on STDR. So it is a 10 marks question. So I'll just read out the question. For the following data, compute standardized death rates in two towns A and B. Which town is healthier? The first column age group is given. Town A population and deaths, town B's population and deaths, and standard population is separately given. Before solving the example, first you see the example. So what we have to find out? Here we have to find out the death rate of town A and town B. Here we have to find out the STDR of town A and town B separately. So solution, first we'll concentrate town A. Town A's population and deaths, then standard population is given. In the question only the standard population is given. So first we have to find out the ASTR. So we know the formula of ASTR is dt upon pt into 1000. So first find out the ASTR for the age group 0 to 10, because ASTR age wise we are going to find out. So first one sample how to find out the STDR. So ASTR for the age group 0 to 10 is 36 divided by 4000 into 1000. So this becomes 9. So like this we have to find out ASTR for all the age groups. So the ASTR for the age group 0 to 10 is 9, and ASTR for the age group 10 to 25. Deaths divided by population, 48 divided by 12,000 into 1000 is 4. Next ASTR for the age group 25 to 60 is 60 divided by 6000 into 1000 is equal to 10. Next ASTR for 60 and above, 152 divided by 8000 into 1000 is equal to 19. So these are the ASTR values. So after finding the ASTR values, we want PA total, summation PA. So P stand for standard population. We have ASTR values, then you multiply standard population into ASTR then. So 2000 into 9 is 18,000, 3000 into 4 is 12,000, 6000 into 10 is 60,000, 4000 into 19 is equal to 76,000. So after finding PA values, we want total of this. So after finding these values, summation PA total is 1,66,000. So then formula of STDR of town A is summation PA divided by summation P. So now we substitute the values. Summation PA total is 1,66,000, write 1,66,000 here. And summation P total is 15,000, write 15,000. So after solving this, so standardized death rate of town A is 11.06. So same as it is, you have to find STDR of town B. So town B is population and deaths, then standard population. Okay. So now standardized death rate of town B's formula is summation PB divided by summation P. So this means standard population is already given in the example only. Okay. So now we have to find out STDR of B, ASTR of B. Okay. So ASTR of B, as we know the formula of ASTR is deaths divided by population into 1000. So ASTR of 0 to 10 is 30 divided by 3000 into 1000 is 10. 100 divided by 20,000 into 1000 is 5. So like this you have to find out ASTR of all the age groups. So these are the ASTR values of town B. So after finding this, we want summation PB total. To find out PB values, just P stand for standard population, B means ASTR. ASTR of town B. So now you multiply with this. 2000 into 10 is 20,000. 3000 into 5 is 15,000. 6000 into 12 is 72,000. 4000 into 20 is equal to 80,000. So after finding this, we want summation PB total. Summation PB is 1,87,000. So now you substitute the values. Summation PB is 1,87,000 divided by summation P total is 15,000. So standardized death rate of town B is 12.46. See, here standardized death rate of town A is 11.06. Standardized death rate of town A is 11.06 and standardized death rate of town B is 12.46. Okay. Finally, we have to write the comment. The comment is which town is healthier, that we have to find out. See, after finding this, here standardized death rate of town A is less than town B. So therefore, town A is more healthier. Thank you.